You have probably heard this word 100 times. Blockchain. It powers Bitcoin. It's supposedly changing the world. Banks are scared of it. Tech bros won't stop talking about it. But here's the thing. When someone actually tries to explain it, they throw around words like distributed ledger, cryptographic hash, and decentralized consensus, and your brain just shuts off. I get it. I've been there. So today, I'm going to explain blockchain using something you already understand. Splitting a dinner bill with your friends. No jargon, no confusion, just a simple story. Let's explain it simply. Okay, picture this. You and four friends go out for dinner. The bill comes, it's $100. You decide to split it and everyone agrees to pay 20 bucks each. Now, traditionally, one person keeps track. Maybe you write it down in your phone, you are the banker, the record keeper. But here's the problem. What if what if you are shady? What if you change the record? What if you say some Alex owes $40 instead of 20? Alex has no proof. It's your word against his. So, here's what your group decide to do instead. Everyone gets their own copy of the record book. All five of you write down the same information at the same time. If anyone pays their share, everyone updates their book together. Sam pays his $20. All five of you write it down. Now, there's a five identical copies. If you try to cheat and say Sam didn't pay, the other four books prove you wrong. No single person can trust the truth. Everyone does. And that, my friend, is the basic idea behind blockchain. Instead of one bank, one company, or one person keeping the record, thousands of computers around the world each keeping an identical copy. They are called nodes. Think of each one has one as a friend at the dinner table with their own notebook. Now, why it is called a blockchain? Because transactions are recorded one by one. They are grouped together into blocks like pages in a notebook. When a page fills up, it gets linked to the previous page. Then a new page starts. Page after page, block after block, all chained together. And here's the magic part. Once a block is added to the chain, you can't change it. If someone tries to alter an old record, it breaks the chain. The other copies immediately spot the fake. Remember how the other friends would catch you cheating. Same idea, except now it's thousands of computers catching cheaters in milliseconds. This is what people mean when they say blockchain is decentralized. There's no king, no single boss controlling everything. Just a network of equals all agreeing on the truth together. And that's powerful because it means no single company, government, or hacker can fake the records. So, where do you actually see this in real life? The biggest example is cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of them. When you send someone Bitcoin, there's no bank approving the transfer. The blockchain network verifies it. That dinner table notebook system running on computers worldwide. But it's not just crypto. Some companies use blockchain to track products. Imagine scanning a coffee bag and seeing exactly which farm grew the beans, when they were shipped, and every stop along the way. All verified, all tamper proof. Walmart actually does this. Some produce. If there's a food recall, they can trace the problem in seconds instead of days. Even your diploma or property deed could one day live on a blockchain. Impossible to forge, easy to verify, no paperwork lost. So let's bring it home. Blockchain is just a record book that everyone shares, no one controls, and nobody can cheat. That's it. That's the core idea. If this made blockchain finally click you, hit that subscribe button. I break down complex tech into simple explanations just like this one. Drop a comment telling me what confusing topic you want me to explain next. See you in the next one and thank you.